Good morning, children. Today I am going to start lesson number 4, A Loving Mother, of your reader book. Before you read, help the baby animals reach their mother. Use crayons of different colors to trace the path. What to do? We have to take the babies to their mother. So, lamb is the baby of the shape. So, we have to take lamb with a color crayon to the mother shape. Okay, so we have to do like this. So lioness, cub, hen, chick, horse, foal, cow, calf, frog, tadpole. So you use different colors and trace the path. Okay. Now read about a mother duck who saves her ducklings. This story is about a mother duck and her ducklings and how smartly the mother duck saves her ducklings from a clever fox. Okay. One day mother duck took her two little ducklings to the lake. Quack, 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 cried the ducklings as they followed their mother. What mother duck do? She took her ducklings to the lake, and while walking, her ducklings make the sound of quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack is sound of ducks and ducklings. Just then, Mother Duck saw a fox coming towards them. Then, while walking, she saw a fox who was coming towards to them, who was coming closer to them. She was frightened. She was very scared. Then. She was very scared that now the fox will catch her ducklings and eat them. But she had a bright idea. Hurry, get into the lake, she cried. Suddenly she had bright idea and she told her ducklings to get into the lake fast, as soon as possible get into the lake. There is a fox. The ducklings quickly ran towards the lake. So ducklings followed the order of her mother duck and they quickly ran towards the lake. Then mother duck began to walk slowly. Then what the mother duck do? To grab the attention of the fox, she started walking slowly and dragging one beak on the ground. Dragging. The word dragging means pulling something with difficulty. When we are not able to pull something, we should drag it. Okay. The fox was very happy to see this. It seems that she is hurt and cannot fly. What the fox thought? He thought that mother duck is hurt and she is not able to fly. She cannot fly. So the fox can easily catch her and eat her up, he thought. Then he rushed towards her. He thought that she cannot fly, so he rushed towards her. Mother duck started running away from the lake, and mother duck now started running away from the lake. The fox ran after her. Okay, what the fox did? The fox followed her to catch her. She turned to look at her ducklings, and while running she turned and looked her ducklings at what they are doing. They were swimming safely in the lakes. Mother duck was pleased. She was very happy to see that her ducklings were swimming safely in the lake. She took a deep breath. Now she is relaxed. Took a deep breath means stop to make oneself feel strong and confident. The fox thought she was tired and he came closer. When the mother duck stopped, the fox thought that she is tired now and he came closer to her. But mother duck quickly spread her wings and flew up in the air. When the fox came closer to her, she spread her wings and quickly started flying in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake and started swimming happily with her ducklings. Where she landed? She landed in the middle of the lake because foxes are not able to swim. So she made the fox fooled. Mother duck and her ducklings were safe in the middle of the lake. Mother duck and her ducklings, they all were in the middle of the lake, and fox was fooled because very smartly she thought of an idea and planned the things very easily, and make the clever fox fooled and saved her life and her duckling's life. Okay students, so what we learn from this story? We learn from the story that whenever we are in trouble, so we have to keep patience and thought of an idea or the solution of the problems, how to come out of the problem. So whenever you feel scared, whenever you feel that you are in trouble, so calmly make yourself calm and patience and thought how to solve the problem. Okay, thank you.